Decelerate, slowing down in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English term, decelerate. It's a word you'll often encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can really speed up your English learning. Ironically, by learning about slowing down. So, let's put the brakes on our busy lives for a few minutes and explore this term together. Decelerate is a verb that comes from the Latin word decelerare, where de means down or away, and celerare means to hasten. In modern English, to decelerate means to reduce the speed or slow down the velocity of an object or process. It's the opposite of accelerate, which means to speed up. Understanding a word means knowing how to use it. Let's look at some examples. The car decelerated as it approached the red light. Economic growth is expected to decelerate next quarter. The runner decelerated as she crossed the finish line, her energy spent. Notice how decelerate can apply to physical movement, economic trends, or even metaphorical uses. Alongside decelerate, there are a few related terms worth knowing. Deceleration. This noun describes the process of slowing down. Decelerative. This adjective describes something that causes deceleration. Decelerator. This noun refers to a mechanism or person that decelerates. It's easy to confuse decelerate with accelerate. Remember, accelerate, to speed up. Decelerate, to slow down. Don't mix them up, as they have opposite meanings. We often use decelerate metaphorically in everyday language. For example, let's decelerate this conversation. It's getting too heated. I'm trying to decelerate my coffee intake. And that's a wrap on decelerate. Whether you're discussing cars, economies, or your own life pace, knowing this term can be incredibly useful. I hope this video helps you slow down and appreciate the nuances of the English language. Until next time, keep learning and don't hesitate to hit the brakes if you need to assimilate new information. Goodbye for now.